What's good? My name's Anthony Allen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Anthony Allen Edits, the YouTube channel that is all about your editing and teaching you how to edit and talking about all things editing so that you can create and tell the stories that you want to tell in the way that you want to tell them with full creative control. And here in this video, I'm going to be talking about my OBS settings for recording game footage. A lot of you on my channel have your own gaming channels and you want to know how to better display your gaming clips. So this is going to be one for you. OBS is the chosen platform for how we're going to record and show our clips. Give you some more context, you shouldn't be now seeing the gaming quality that I record in. This is the quality that I record my game clips in. And also I have a second channel called Game Disclaim where you can see more gaming videos from me. Game Disclaim is my second channel and that's where I'll upload videos on games such as Apex Legends, and it's literally just all about gaming. So if you're here for gaming, that is another channel of mine that you can actually subscribe to, and you will see videos that I have streamed or recorded games of. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm about to show you my recommended settings for OBS when you're recording your gaming footage using OBS. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we are inside of OBS. Now this is going to look quite jarring because you can see multiple versions of myself. I'm going to quickly click on the settings so that you don't see that. Right, so here we are. So this is a lot better. So this is what we want to have a look at. Can I make this panel wider? No, I can't. That's fine. Right, so here's my general settings. Now this is just basically personal preference and basically how you like OBS to look when you're using it. I don't really have an issue here at all, but if you want to quickly go through this, no, I'm not going to quickly go through this because it's completely pointless. This part is just basically personal preference. Now what you want is you want to have a look at the output settings of my recording. Now that is where things come into play. Now I have a place where I'm going to save all my recordings, and basically there's a folder within my downloads folder that doesn't go anywhere called recording in capitals, and that is where every single thing that I save within Final Cut, everything that I save within OBS goes to this folder called recordings. Now below this we have the file format. I leave it in MKV. The reason why I leave it in MKV is because it doesn't have any issues in terms of conversions. So if you choose an MP4 or MOV, then the software is then going to have to convert your recording into that format. So keeping this to MKV will ultimately be the best option because you're not having to do anything to the file once you finish recording. Once you stop recording, it's just going to export the file with no issues. Then we've got an encoder. Now I have a built-in encoder, right, for Apple due to the fact that I'm using Mac. Now this allows me to do a lot more with my recording in terms of bitrate and so forth without any buffering and with a stronger, faster, smoother recording. Then if we move down from the encoder, also if you have a graphics card within your laptop or desktop device, if you're on Windows, I do highly recommend using that graphics card because that will really help you in terms of your recording. Now we move down to the Rescale Output. I've set this to 1080 720. I've got a custom mixer settings. I've got nothing on there. Bitrate is on 40,000, and then the keyframe interval is currently set at 0. Profile of none, and then I use the B frames as well. I also have an audio track of 1. Another thing that's valid to have a look at in terms of these recordings is the video. Now the base canvas that I've got set is at 1440 900 pixels, and then I have an output scaled to the same that my recording is set at, so it's 1280 720. I have it sharpened 16 samples, and then I have a common frames per second value of 30 frames per second. So those are the basics on what I've got set for my recordings when I'm recording my gameplay for YouTube. Hopefully this has been helpful to you and you've just found out my recommended settings for OBS, and give me a thumbs up if it's been helpful to you in whatever shape or form, and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because I upload here on my main channel, Anthony Allen Edits, to help you with your editing so that you can tell the stories that you want to tell in the way that you would like to tell them with full creative control. I'll see you in the next one here on Anthony Allen Edits, coming right up. Thank you for watching.